how to install OneDrive in Windows 11. So simple way. Open Microsoft Store, search here OneDrive. Once you open Microsoft Store, just click here Start and Search Store. So open Microsoft Store and here search OneDrive. Then click on Get and wait for a few minutes till this downloading and installing process will complete. And once it's done, sign in your OneDrive account with your Gmail and your mail and password. And once this process will be done, just you sign in your account. So thanks for watching, share, like and subscribe this channel.